Welcome to Bromborough, where ancient history meets modern life. From stone carved more than 1,000 years ago to a modern industrial park, Bromborough has something worth telling. Bromborough is one of the oldest recorded settlements on the Wirral Peninsula. Its name likely comes from the Old English Bromborough, meaning the stronghold of a man named Brona. Some even connect it to the famous Battle of Bromborough in 937 AD, though some historians will still debate this link. But what's certain is Bromborough's roots stretch deep into the Anglo-Saxon era. This is Bromborough's Anglo-Saxon cross, once a Christian monument and gathering place, now a reminder of the village's medieval history. A short walk is Stanhope House, a 19th century landmark that's seen Bromborough transform from a rural settlement into a modern suburb. Its Victorian character still stands proud against the backdrop of the changing village. This is St Barnabas Church. Now, it's stood here since the late 19th century. Its stained glass and stonework tell the stories of its generations. But this community here has been served for longer than the church has stood here. On the edge of the village lies the Bromborough Industrial Park. It's one of the world's largest business hubs, home to manufacturing, logistics and technology companies. But Bromborough isn't all roads and industry. Brotherton Park offers a green escape along the River Dibben, with woodlands, open grass and walking trails. It's a place where locals come to unwind, just minutes from the main road.
Legend has it that St Patrick, yes, the St Patrick, stopped off at Brotherton Park for some spiritual water at the now named St Patrick's Well, on his way to King's Gap in Hoylake on his journey to Ireland.
The A41 runs through Bromborough, linking its north to Birkenhead and south to Chester and beyond. In fact, the A41 goes all the way to London. Two railway stations, Bromborough and Bromborough, keep it within easy reach for commuters and travellers. From its Anglo-Saxon cross to its modern industrial estate, Bromborough is a place where the past and present live side by side. Whether you work in the industrial estate, pass by on the A41 or taking a stroll down the River Dibben, you are part of a story that's been unfolding here for over 1,000 years.